Right, we're at 156412 now, just arrived on its way to Cambridge. Right, we're at 156422 again, heading back to Cambridge. Off it goes. Right, we've got 156418, about to depart, working the 1052 service to Ipswich instead of the booked Turbo Star unit. Off it goes. Right, at the same time we got a 156 unit arriving into platform 4. Here it comes. It's 156416. Right, we've got 156416 heading to Sheringham, and the Mark III set arriving from London Liverpool Street. Well timed crossover, that one. Got a food train approaching now. It's a Class 156 unit working the Peterborough service instead of the booked Turbo Star. Here it comes. That's 156402, en route to Peterborough. Right, we're at Woodbridge Station. We got a Class 156 unit arriving en route to Ipswich. Here it comes. It's 156402 en route to Ipswich. Right, 156402 just departed, continuing its journey to Ipswich. Right, we've got the 1018 service to Felixstowe now, about to arrive, formed of a Class 156 unit. Here it comes. Right, we have 156402 has just departed, continuing its journey to Felixstowe. Off it goes. Right, we've got 156402 again, about to depart, this time working the 10:31 service to Ipswich. Off it goes. Right, 156409 is setting off, working 11:29 service to Cambridge. Off it goes. Right, we've got 156412 waiting to depart. Working 11:52 service to Ipswich. Off it goes. Right, we've got class 156 unit now, approaching at speed en route to Ipswich. That was 156412.